we have our PFC200 controller series. Yeah, it's a Linux-based controller, and it's a modular I/O system, and you have the possibility to mount several different modules here.
Okay.
So as we have up to 500 modules connected here, and you can easily connect them by plugging unplugging them here. So
so like analog inputs.
Yeah, we have up to 500 different modules.
Okay.
Therefore, for a lot of purposes, like digital, analog input, in and output. Yeah, a lot of special modules like counting, pulse, width controls, stepper controls, and so on.
Right. And to program it, I guess because it's running Linux, you're not using normal PLC type programming.
Yeah, we use PLC type programming as well. This is our main developing system. It's a cockpit. It's based on an industrial standard from 3S codices, and it supports all well-known industrial PLC programming languages. Yeah. Like you have this graphical programming where you make some logical connections like and, or, and so on, and but it also have like a higher level language, which is like Pascal, something like that.
But because it's running Linux, you can put your own application.
You can put your own application as well. We have we offer a board support package, which allows you, so Wago gives you the complete build environment, complete tool chain to build your own firmware, and you can add packages, add your own program, C++ program. You can control this local bus, all the modules. You can control the field bus, which is here like a CAN bus interface, Profi bus, serial interfaces, and so on. And we're using the PTX dist build environment here.